Is your PC running out of storage? Are you too full to download any games and enjoy your time on your PC? Well, you come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove junk files and temporary files your PC doesn't need to free up more space. To begin, you want to press the Windows button and R at the same time. This command prompt, also known as run, will be opened. From there, we want to write percentage tmp percentage, and you want to press on OK. From there on, this folder will be opened. As you can see, these are all junk files our PC doesn't need. To delete, simply press Ctrl A, which will select all the files, right click, and press on delete. Now, it's going to start deleting them, and it's going to say that this action cannot be completed because the file is open. If it does say anything to that extent, you simply want to press on do this for all current items and press on skip. From there, you've deleted all junk files that your PC doesn't need. To continue, we want to press Windows R and do percentage, to do our second junk files, we want to simply write prefetch, and it's going to say you don't currently have permission to access this folder. You press on continue, and it will give you access. Now, these are also all temporary files your PC doesn't need. However, if you do delete these, all applications will have a longer loading time for the first time you open again. So if I were to open, let's say, Call of Duty, the first time I open it again after deleting these files, it will take maybe a few seconds more. That's because you've deleted all error files and extra stuff your PC doesn't need. To continue, press Ctrl A, right click, and press on delete. And it should delete all prefetch files. And that right there is how you can delete all your files. To go even further, you want to go like this, You want to go to recycle bin, right click, and press on empty recycle bin. Then you want to press on yes, and you've successfully going to delete all these files. As you can see, I've deleted over 800 megabytes, more than 1,000 items. For you, it will be much more because I do this on a regular basis. So if we go to this PC now, as you can see, mine hasn't gone up by anything, but I promise you that yours will go up by at least a gigabyte. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to comment down below what we should do next. And if you have any problems, be sure to comment down below as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.